Look, I'm gonna be honest, man. This energy has had me all the way off. I haven't touched my sight. I've been trying to collect this energy, man. When I say it's so much coming in, y'all have no idea. Man, that's why I haven't been like posting like normal. Or I've been trying to process too. I've been all in emotions. That's why I've been off social media. I've been posting stuff, but man, I got mad for no reason today. I was like, I need some water. Like, I was like, what's going on, bro? I don't know. There's something in this water or something they doing, man. Got me hyped, man. This new energy is purging energies out of your body. That's what it is. Like, I've been unnecessarily eating for no reason. I know I'm training, but damn, I'm still like too hyped. Like you know how you excited if you fight somebody, you like, yeah, let's go. I've been feeling, I'm like, why? Where's this coming from? Do something. Don't give me fries with my meal, bitch. I'll beat your ass. Like, shit. I've been fucking tripping. Man, I want some donuts. Like, fucking parasites. Hey, man, it's time for a detox, bro. Man, I think it's parasites being destroyed, bro. Cause, man, motherfucker been craving donuts for no reason. I was like, damn, I feel like a pregnant lady. Shoot. Just been getting like, that's why I ain't been out in public. Somebody gonna say the wrong thing. I would slap their mouth around their neck like Daffy Duck. Plow! Huh? Oh, man. That's why I couldn't hang out. I couldn't do nothing today, man. I had to chill, bro. Look, the website gonna be coming, man. Just let me process this energy too, man. Cause I ain't trying to be on the news. Aboriginal man punches man into lemon juice. Story at 6 type of deal. Been seeing some weird stuff too. I saw a giant black ass orb in my sleep. And I think that was Earth purging some of this old frequency and all this old stuff out of the body, getting it ready for the new. But man, the darkness I saw was like the blacks. Man, if I ever got mad, bro, I might as well just call it a wrap. That's why I'm so calm and collective. I can't get mad, bro. Gonna be up on, yeah, I used to go to school with him. Who would have turned out he would have been a type of deal? But I'm glad this is happening. Thank you, Earth, for real. Otherwise, I'd be in jail.